Hi friends, now I will tell and show you how to add icons in Figma for free. So, let's open a project in Figma. Go to the top left and click on this icon. A new menu opens up. Go to the Plugins tab and search for Icons 8. Open this plugin. This plugin provides a huge selection of icons for every occasion. You can choose a specific style. Image format PNG or SVG, but SVG unfortunately only in the paid version. But do not part all other icons in sufficient resolution that would use them in their projects. Also for convenience, there is a search bar. Let's find an icon of social network Facebook. Type the name of the icon here and press enter on the keyboard that the search would start. I didn't get a search result because I have a specific icon stylistics, so let's search among all icons by selecting all. Alright. As you can see, we have found a huge number of Facebook icons, from simple and minimalistic to 3D icons. There's a lot to choose from. So, how to add icons to your project, Figma? It's very simple. We just need to click on the desired icon 2 times with the left mouse button, and the icon will immediately appear on the working surface of our project. And that's not all there is to this plugin. The next category is illustrations. If you need to add a picture to your site or application, now you do not need to visit a huge number of sites with free images or El Distavat to the 100th page in Google. Everything is very simple with this plugin. Also, here is not a small number of categories and also has a search. You can easily find a suitable illustration for your project. The next tab, Photos. From the name, I think everything is clear. Here is not a small number of free photos that you can safely use in your projects. Adding everything is as simple as that. We right-click twice on the desired photo and it immediately appears in our project. Let's use the search and find a photo of a funny person. Super. Now you know how easy and simple it is to add icons to your project in Figma. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe to the channel.